Hello and welcome to WebPaper. Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own website. Now the first thing you need to do is go to webpaper.co, and once you get there, go ahead and log in or register, and then you should be brought to this screen. This is the dashboard. Now just a quick advice, if you have any questions or concerns about how to use WebPaper, maybe you just got, not really sure how to do something, you can always go to the tutorials section right here, and that'll open up our blog. And our blog has tons of videos and information explaining how to do anything and everything that you can pretty much think of. And the videos make it really, really nice because you don't even have to read it. You just play the video, see somebody do it, instantly it should pop right in your head. But let's go back to the dashboard right here. Now to start off our website, what we want to do is hit add new page. Some of you might already have a page because you're brought to this step when you're signing up. But let's go ahead and just say we don't. And let's pick one real quick. Let's just pick this one. And normally we want to put in a title. Let's just say Business Pros, Business Solutions for Expert Business Pros. And then keywords, Business Pros, Experts, Company Advice. You just try to think of words that might pertain to your business, and then I like to put in the year, maybe best or new as well. And let's say businesspros.webpaper and then create page. Alright, so we have our page here. Now notice the Facebook, Dig, and Twitter look like gray boxes. Don't be alarmed. If you hit public view right here, you'll notice instantly they start working. Just for editor's sake, just see that so you can move it around. You're not accidentally liking it or anything. But let's say we want to add a navigation to this. We just created our website and we have one page and we'd like to expand. Okay, well the first thing you would have to do is add a link. You could do this with a text link, or you could make an image a link as well. I don't have an image like this guy. If we wanted to make this guy an image, we just double click on him. See how we get this image properties that comes up? Go to advanced, hyperlink on click. Right there you could instantly make that gentleman a link if you wanted, and it would take you somewhere if he was clicked. Also, you can do a rollover image. When somebody hovers over it, it would roll over to another aspect or an image or something that maybe has a glow effect, so it glows when the mouse goes over it. You easily do that as well. But for today, I'm just going to show you how to do basic text links. So we're going to click this chain linked icon up here. Once we click that, we have the link added, as you can see, and a little property box here that we can pertain what that link's about. We put the URL, so I'm going to want to put this page URL. So it's going to be, and we can always check that. If I hit cancel, if I go to public view, I'll leave that page for now. That didn't change anything. Our URL is businesspros.webpaper.co, and I'm copying that from the address bar. You can't see that right now because I don't allow you to see it, but I'm basically copying, Control and C on the URL, but you got to highlight it all first. So you highlight it all, then you hit Control C, or you can right click and go to copy. And then we just hit edit. Now we add our link. We paste the URL by hitting Control and then V. And we delete that last slash, and then the title, home, hover hint, home, hit OK. I like to center the text just so I have, sort of in the middle of my box. And then we can change the font color to white. And there we go. Now there's our home button. So let's say we save that. Okay. And we go to public view. We can see that. And if I click on it, it just brings me to the same exact page. No big deal. But let's say you want to add multiple pages. You go back to your dashboard. And this is what I suggest. You could obviously hit add new page, but the problem with that is you're going to have to select a whole nother template, and maybe you've already made a lot of adjustments to your current page right here, and you don't want to have to do that all over again. Perfectly understandable. What you can just do then is hover over the page, and you'll see page options. Click that, duplicate page. Now I see we have a copy here. So what we want to do is edit the copy, and let's maybe change some stuff here. Holding Control and clicking different elements, I can delete them all at once. I'm just going to delete them one by one just to save time. There we go. And let's call this about. And let's put that right there. And so now if we want to take this link, we copy and paste it by clicking those icons up there. Holding Control and Shift and using the arrow keys, I can move it around. Double click on it, and I could change the link, but I don't know what page this is, so right now I just hit OK, save in public view. I see the link in the URL bar up there. Okay, I have that. It's webpaper.co/14933. I hit edit. I go back to the second home button and I highlight it. I just hit Control A to instantly highlight it and Control V to paste, and it pastes my URL right there. And then just change this to about, and hit OK. Now I save it. Now what you can do is to add that same exact link in the same exact position on the other page. What we do is we click it and we hit copy. That's this little paper with the arrow. That's going to copy it to our clipboard. Now what we can then do is go back to our dashboard, go to this first page, the non-copy version that we made, and hit the paste. Boom, there's our link right there. Save it, public view. Now we have a about page and a home page. There we go. So now we just turned one page into two in less than a few minutes. So there you go. That's, I enjoy making a few pages, try to tie them all together. This helps, you know, when search engines are scanning your site, they say, oh, he's got an about page, and they scan and go to that as well, and they gather more information about you. So it's really nice to have more than one page, and you link them all together like that, so Google can go from one page to another, to another, to another, and really just dissect your whole site. We're going to do many more videos on this, on how to make your website, you know, SEO friendly, or how to make your website get better conversions to sales or calls, or how to write content for your website. We're going to do many more of these videos. As I mentioned before, if you have any questions or concerns on how to use WebPaper, or ideas or whatever you might have, you can always go to the tutorials section. Like I said, we're just going to bring up our blog, and feel free to check that out. And also, just a little sneak peek, we have webpaper.me in the works. And what that basically is, that's our developer community. And that allows people to go in here and post questions, post suggestions, talk about their websites, talk about tutorials, talk to the staff. You can pretty much do anything you like. So that's webpaper.me. That is up and coming. Right now it's still in the beta stages, but it should be public here very soon. But like I said, most of the time you're just going to go to the blog. I go to the tutorial section, and you can see all sorts of videos, information. You can look at, you know, how to make money, how to make your website SEO friendly, how to build personal websites, tutorials, user systems, anything you'd like to know pretty much is in here. And the great thing is we put videos with a lot of our posts, so you not only can read it and step by step, you can also watch the videos and get a really good idea of how to just do that. That's it for now. So I mean, enjoy building your website. It's 100% free for up to 3 pages and 2 megabytes of storage, but we do allow you to sign up if you'd like. And you can sign up by clicking that green account button. I'll do it again. In the top right, that green account button, it'll take you to your page and you can see what else the other packages offer. If you get a plus package, you get 15 pages. Ultras get 25. So feel free to check that out. Not only do you get extra pages, you get more storage, you get more features, and you also get discounts on current templates that we are selling in the template store. So yeah, good luck building your website. Have a great time, and check out the blog if you have any questions.